In this tutorial, we'll show you how to connect Claude to Blender. If this guide helps you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Now, let's hand things over to Pa, who will walk you through the remaining steps. Before getting started, make sure the Claude desktop app is already installed on your computer and that you're using the latest version of Blender. Launch the Claude desktop application. In the upper left corner, click the menu icon to enable the sidebar. Next, select Customize. Then choose Connect Your Apps. Search for Blender. Click the plus button next to it and select Install. Wait for the installation process to finish. During installation, you'll see a message indicating that an add-on is required for the MCP server. Click the provided link, which will open in your default web browser. On the web page, download the Blender add-on zip file. Once the download is complete, you can open the folder where it was saved. In most cases, it will be in the Downloads folder. Return to the Claude desktop app. After the installation finishes, make sure the Blender integration is switched on. Now, open Blender. From the top menu, click Edit, then select Preferences. Go to the Add-ons section, open the drop-down menu, and choose Install from Disk. Browse to the folder containing the zip file you downloaded earlier. Select it and click Install from Disk. After the installation is complete, locate the MCP add-on and ensure it is enabled. That's all there is to it. Claude is now successfully connected to Blender. You can go back to the Claude desktop app and start entering prompts. For example, I asked Claude to generate a simple tree in Blender. As you can see, the model was created successfully, confirming that everything is working correctly.